Hi, sir. You're so handsome, but what do you bring?
It's my thing.
For where?
When I go outside, I need this. A lot of things, my glass.
You bring your clothes like that, sir?
Or
Oh.
sitting there, I need to enjoy. What?
But you have a lot car, sir. But why you bring and walking like that?
No, and the car is not enough for everything.
Uh-huh.
I need to walk in for my body. Because I sit tired, I also need my exercise, my gym, everything. Now see my body like go.
Oh, you're not shy, sir. You're honored at the building.
I'm not a lie, okay? I'm not a Don't say lie. Liar is not good, okay?
I'm not saying lie, sir. Only I ask. I think this is your owner of the building.
No. How come owner? I'm not owner, inshallah. I hope, inshallah, one day I will be owner.
You're lucky. And what you bring? Why you bring like that?
Because my subscriber want like this, what I do.
You're lucky. Hi. Hello, you go home, sir?
No, how I go bathroom?
Where you go?
I go bathroom.
For?
Bathroom. Of course I go home. God, it's 2 o'clock. So I need to prepare cooking. Tomorrow I have work.
Yeah.
Duty. So I need to prepare the cooking. Also I need to do pray.
Mashallah.
Yes.
Wow, so nice. The view. You see?
Just like this whole view.
Wow. Wow. That is the dock.
Yes.
In Amir.
Use a lot of opportunity to come use it here. It's amazing.
Wow,
I
see.
like
Wow. You see, guys. I'm not zoom. Oh, she give the food. She giving the food. See what he eat? Oh.